Join me as I try to create the most efficient solar charger for my Ring Video Doorbell, complete with an adjustable mount. In this video, you will discover the features and benefits of the efficient Ring Video Doorbell Solar Charger, along with its adjustable mount. Many users struggle with keeping their Ring Video Doorbell charged, especially in areas with limited sunlight. This can lead to missed alerts and decreased security. The constant need to recharge or replace batteries can be frustrating and costly. Moreover, a dead battery can leave your home vulnerable to potential security threats. It's a problem that many homeowners face, and it's one that I want to help solve. The Ring Video Doorbell Solar Charger is designed to provide a continuous power supply to your doorbell, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. Its sleek and compact design makes it easy to install and blend seamlessly with your home's exterior. The solar charger harnesses the sun's energy to keep your doorbell charged, ensuring that you never miss a notification. With its adjustable mount, you can position the solar charger to maximize sun exposure, even in areas with limited sunlight. The adjustable mount is a game changer, allowing you to fine-tune the solar charger's position for optimal performance. This feature ensures that your doorbell stays charged, even on cloudy days or during the winter months when sunlight is scarce. By adjusting the mount, you can increase the solar charger's energy output, providing a reliable power supply to your doorbell. This level of flexibility is essential for homeowners who live in areas with unpredictable weather patterns. Let's take a look at how the solar charger performs in real-life conditions. I'll show you how easy it is to install and the impact it has on the doorbell's performance over time. The installation process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Once installed, the solar charger starts working immediately, providing a steady stream of power to my doorbell. The results are impressive, with my doorbell staying charged even on days with limited sunlight. The solar charger has eliminated the need for frequent battery replacements, and I've noticed a significant reduction in missed alerts. This has given me peace of mind, knowing that my home is secure and I'm always notified when someone is at the door. In summary, the Ring Video Doorbell Solar Charger with adjustable mount offers a convenient and reliable solution to charging issues. It provides a continuous power supply, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements, and ensures that your doorbell stays charged and functional. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on smart home devices and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Solar charger compatible for Ring Video Doorbell, QIBOX adjustable solar panel mount, efficient solar charger for doorbell camera, micro USB port charging. Brand QIBOX. Material plastic. Product dimensions 5.75 L x 1.38 inches wide by 11.42 inches high. Efficiency high efficiency. Connector type micro USB. WARMTIPS, THECAMERASOLARPANELCHARGERVIDWALLSORVIMYLWALLS. DON''TFORGETTOCHECKTHEDIMENSIONS, 5.74 LX1.37 WX11.41 HBEFOREPURCHASING. Doorbells compatibility. This doorbell solar charger is designed to work seamlessly with Video Doorbell. An OTFORRINGVIDEODOORBELL2. THEDOORBELLISNOTINCLUDED. CHARGINGVIAMICROUSBPORT. Hassle-free charging. Say goodbye to cumbersome charging methods with this disassembly-free doorbell solar charger. Eliminate the need for frequent removal of the charger for charging purposes, saving you time and effort. Embrace this solution for hassle-free and convenient charging. Uninterrupted power supply. Enjoy 365-day power supply with this Ring solar panel for doorbell, boasting a robust output of up to 2.9 watts at 5 volts DC and an impressive efficiency rating of 19%. The 120 degrees adjustable mounting mount allows you to optimize sunlight exposure by positioning the Ring solar charger at the perfect angle. Efficient solar panel. Harness the power of the sun with this efficient solar panel featuring 3 panels for enhanced sunlight absorption from multiple directions. The built-in high-efficiency monocrystalline cells ensure a conversion rate 4.3 times higher than standard solar chargers, providing sustainable energy for your doorbell.